So let's talk a bit about technique. To create post space, it can be done with whatever post system you use, as long as it's not a heat-driven system. If you use something that creates friction or heat as your means of removing gutta percha, again, it's not going to be effective. So something that's mechanical and rotary, it can be a Gates-Glidden-Burr, it can be just a post drill. So there are a variety of ways that it can be done. And it comes out very easily. It comes out just like gutta percha does. So if you were in the past a cold lateral condensation person and you remember removing a segment of gutta percha to create post space using that filling technique, you'll find out that the GuttaCore comes out in a very similar manner to that. So you can see the chamber has been cleaned up following placement. So pretty straightforward. And post in. Okay, so if we're not happy with the placement and we want to remove it, or we're retreating, or we're doing something else, rotary file that you use to create the final shape, the final cleanliness, will likely zip out this carrier very easily. You can use some solvent around the gutta percha to soften if you would want to. I've not found that that's absolutely necessary. Again, what you can't use is heat. Heat is not going to help you. So here we see a series of ProTaper retreatment files. We won't go through the whole series, but what you will see is that the file engages the gutta percha, and it comes out just like gutta percha, even though it's core carrier based, GuttaCore carrier. So if we look at the ease at which this can be removed, GuttaCore is removed in less time in curved canals than with ProTaper files than either thermoplasticized warm vertical condensation or thermofill. And of course, the fact that it comes out easier than thermofill is absolutely no surprise, because the carrier is so different.